Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning. I just wanted to share with you a little bit about a new curling iron that I just purchased. It's by Hot Tools Professional. It's a 1-inch Salon curling iron / wand, and it's 24K gold. I don't know if it really is, but it is a gold curling iron. It creates beautiful, long-lasting, defined curls. Hot Tools produces first award-winning styling tools, and Pulse technology gets hot and stays hot. It's the world's best curling iron. So I actually had my curling iron from them for many years, but it recently just stopped heating up. So I went out and got a new one, and that's totally fine. I mean, it lasted me for quite a while. So Hot Tools Professional, I've had their hair straighteners before too. They also work really well. Please recycle. This is model 1181. That's the barcode there. ETL listed, Intertech. You could follow them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube /Hot Tools Pro, and visit our website for how-to videos, style sheets, and tips from the pros. This product is made in China and distributed by Helen of Troy LP in El Paso, Texas 79912 USA. Copyright 2010, 2015 Helen of Troy. All rights reserved. Hot Tools gets hot, stays hot. Stylist preferred curling iron design and Pulse technology are trademarks of Helen and Troy. The product you buy may differ slightly from the one shown on this carton due to continuing product improvements. Good to know. So this was all this is what the curling iron looks like. Of course, I'm going to actually show you it in just a second. So I wanted to flip over to the back. They do have larger barrel sizes. I decided to go with the 1-inch because I don't know, that's the one that I had before. I thought maybe it would make more natural looking curls. So, Pulse technology for gets hot, stays hot performance, fast heat up, and instant heat recovery. Maintains constant even heat while you style. 24 karat gold surface provides even heat distribution and is ideal for all hair types. Professional features. Rheostat control dial with variable heat settings up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Soft touch handle provides comfortable grip. Extra long cool tip. Power indicator light. Extra long thumb grip. Separate on and off switch not shown. Powerful spring clamp. Foldaway safety stand. 8-foot professional swivel cord, and bonus includes 2 extra easy to replace springs, and you have a 1-year warranty on it. 24 karat gold styling surface. Distributes heat evenly, no hot spots. Consistent heat. Helps create long-lasting, beautifully defined curls. For wand use, simply wrap hair around the outside of barrel and flipper to create beachy, wavy curls. 1-inch barrel size creates beautiful, long-lasting, defined curls. Hair type fragile, 280 degrees. I think that would probably be mine. Mine's thin. Normal, 330 degrees. Wavy, 380, and thick, 430 degrees. And then I guess it shows you all the parts to it. So I'm going to take you now to see the curling iron itself. Okay guys, so this is the curling iron itself. You guys can see it has the gold surface, and then it gives you the options of off, on. So just slide it to turn it on, and you'll know it's on because the light will go on the other side. Right now I have the settings heated up all the way, but you can adjust that. You can always just turn this little dial and switch it to whatever degree you'd like it at. And then I like this clamp right here because this goes up and down, and it just holds the curling iron up on the counter while it's heating or in between uses. And then the cord's pretty long, so you could wrap it around when you're done with it and place it in the drawer. It makes it easy for storage. It gets really hot. The wand itself has a really super comfortable grip, just like it said on the box. You turn it off, you just switch the dial this way. Really easy. It has the clamp while you so you could put a piece of your hair in here and then wrap it around the curling iron. It'll give you a really nice, pretty, nice looking curl. And then you just spray a little hairspray to hold the hair in place, and it works really well. So this was the Hot Tools Professional 1-inch barrel style curling iron wand. I hope you guys found the video interesting, and I hope you found it useful. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.